Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 4a, and today I'll show you how to put this device into boot mode. And to get started, you want to hold power key. From there, select power off. And once the device shuts off, you want to hold power key and volume down. Both of them at the same time. And once you see the writing, you want to let go. Now do it semi-quick, otherwise it will accept the start and just go back to Android. So once you see this menu right here, you will navigate through it using volume keys, as you can see. And you have a couple different options. So you can either start, which will go back to Android, power off, which just turns off the device, view the barcode, which I believe has email numbers and stuff like that. Then rescue mode, not exactly sure what this one is. Then we have recovery mode, obviously takes you to recovery mode where you can restart your device or factory reset it. And then restart bootloader, which just goes back to where we are right now, along with then cycling back to start. So whatever is selected, you will then confirm it with power key, like so. And because I selected start, I'm also leaving this mode now. And there we go, we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.